Optimus isn't just a static display. This robot interacts, answers questions in real time, and performs tasks with an unexpected level of finesse. It's not hard to see why this became the talk of the event, overshadowing Tesla's newest self-driving vehicles. Tesla's Optimus robot wowed audiences with its lifelike capabilities and rapid responses, impressing attendees by moving beyond pre-programmed actions. It responded to real questions with real answers, and its ability to pick up, handle, and carry objects demonstrated a versatility that left many wondering just how far Tesla could push this technology. Elon Musk even boldly claimed that soon every one of the 8 billion people on Earth will want their own Optimus robot, a statement that might seem far-fetched, but considering Optimus's performance may not be as far off as it sounds.
Because I think everyone of the 8 billion people of Earth, I think everyone's going to want their Optimus buddy. And there's going to be maybe 2.
The most captivating part of the demonstration was watching Optimus interact with people naturally and intelligently. The robot processed questions on the spot, delivering answers within seconds. The real-time response showcased a level of artificial intelligence that went beyond pre-programmed phrases. This was the first time Tesla allowed people to witness Optimus thinking for itself. As it answered questions, moved about, and even adjusted its posture to appear more engaging, it became clear that this wasn't just a robot running through canned motions. Optimus was actively responding, bringing a truly interactive and personable experience to everyone it engaged with. Elon Musk's words at the event hinted at the scale of Optimus's capabilities. Musk confidently stated, "The Optimus robots will walk among you," as the robot moved seamlessly between tasks.
Please be nice to the Optimus robots. So you'll be able to walk right up to them, and they'll serve drinks at the bar.
Optimus could easily be programmed to complete a range of actions, including opening a car trunk, bringing packages inside, watering plants, and even interacting with family members. With an estimated starting price of $20,000, Optimus could be far more than a typical home assistant. It's a multi-purpose helper designed to cater to almost any need you can think of, from teaching and babysitting to walking pets, mowing the lawn, and even serving as a companion. And if you think this sounds futuristic, just wait. During the event, Tesla showcased Optimus's unique adaptability by having a group of robots perform a dance routine complete with a robot dressed in clothes and a cowboy hat that doubled as a bartender, serving drinks to guests. While this may seem gimmicky, it demonstrated just how advanced Optimus's movement and balance have become. The robot's dexterity and secure grip allowed it to perform actions like pouring drinks from a tap with precision, though it did wobble a little, suggesting there's room for improvement. The Optimus display had many attendees genuinely curious about whether its responses were completely autonomous or if there was some behind-the-scenes human control. Tesla, however, insists that Optimus's responses were real-time AI-generated, with the robot reacting based on its learning and programming. Tesla's use of artificial intelligence enables Optimus to recognize faces, respond to a range of questions, and even express thoughts in a surprisingly relatable way. For example, when one attendee asked the robot about the hardest part of being a robot, it replied with surprising insight, "Trying to learn how to be a human like you guys are."
Optimus. It's insane. It's even talking.
Say hi to my friend John.
John? Where's John?
Right here.
Oh, hello, John.
How are you?
How are you doing?
That's crazy. I'm
Where are
talking
you
to a
from,
robot. From San Jose. Probably from where you were born in Silicon Valley.
Wonderful. Where do you live in San Jose? Do you live in Almond Valley, or do you live in Santa Teresa area?
No, I live in Los Gatos.
Los Gatos. Oh, wonderful. Very
Yeah.
nice area.
Where do you live?
Beautiful hiking I hear out there.
There is. Where do you live?
I live in Palo Alto at the current moment.
Figures. Yeah, this is awesome.
That's where they train us, that's where we get our builds, and that's where we work with a wonderful group of people.
What's the hardest thing about being a robot?
Trying to learn how to be as human as you guys are. And that's something I try harder to do every day, and I hope...
Tesla also confirmed that Optimus can use different voices, accents, and even languages, allowing for customization based on the user's location and preference. For instance, some robots at the event spoke with Texas or California accents, while others even demonstrated a working knowledge of Spanish. This level of personalization hints at the potential Optimus could have in both commercial and private settings, allowing it to adapt to different social norms, languages, and household routines. Imagine customizing your robot to understand your specific needs without even needing to ask. It would simply learn your preferences over time. During one of the demos, Attendees challenged Optimus to a quick game of rock, paper, scissors. The robot didn't hesitate, it understood the game, processed the rules, and engaged in a match against its human opponent. Even though the human won, Optimus handled the loss gracefully, complimenting the person with a friendly, "You're very good at rock, paper, scissors." Moments like these revealed just how far Tesla has come in creating a machine that's more than just functional, it's personable. Another fascinating feature of Optimus is that it can remember interactions. Tesla hinted that everything Optimus did at the event, every question it answered, and every interaction it had would help train its AI further. This robot has the ability to recall faces, build preferences, and even anticipate needs. Elon Musk confirmed that Optimus will evolve based on user interactions, meaning that the more you engage with it, the better it will understand you. Imagine a future where your personal robot is not just a helper but a companion that understands your routines, remembers your preferences, and becomes almost an extension of yourself. When asked about Optimus's price, Musk estimated that once mass production begins, customers should be able to purchase an Optimus robot for around $20,000 to $30,000, with a potential rental option for those who want to try it before committing to ownership. This would allow businesses and individuals to get a taste of the technology and explore how Optimus could benefit them on a day-to-day basis. For an initial investment of $50,000, early adopters could take advantage of its potential to increase productivity, reduce labor costs, and introduce a new level of efficiency into various industries, including healthcare, retail, and logistics. Initially, Optimus Gen 1 will primarily be used in Tesla's own factories, helping with tasks that reduce labor costs and optimize production processes. But in the near future, as Tesla's manufacturing processes become more efficient, we may see Optimus Gen 2 offered to the public and industries experiencing labor shortages. Companies like Amazon, FedEx, and Walmart could be among the first to adopt Optimus as an automated workforce capable of handling repetitive tasks, while high-profile individuals may see it as a personal assistant, making life simpler in countless ways. Tesla also revealed plans for rental programs, allowing customers to pay between $100 to $500 monthly for an Optimus. This affordable access could democratize the use of advanced robotics, giving people the chance to experience Optimus's potential without a long-term commitment. The idea is that as production scales up, the cost of these robots will decrease significantly, eventually making them accessible to the general public. While Optimus was undeniably the star of the show, Tesla's other announcements included the Cybercab and Robo-Van, two fully self-driving vehicle models. The Cybercab, a compact and futuristic taxi, sports a glossy gold exterior and a spacious cargo area with butterfly doors and no steering wheel. Designed with a self-cleaning system, this affordable car is expected to cost under $30,000, operating at about 20 cents per mile. Meanwhile, the Robo-Van, an innovation geared towards mass transportation, offers seating for up to 20 passengers and is built to serve as a versatile public transit option. Both vehicles reinforce Tesla's goal of eliminating human drivers, relying entirely on cameras and AI to navigate autonomously. Tesla's humanoid robot Optimus signifies a turning point not only for Tesla but for the future of AI and robotics. The moment Optimus sang happy birthday or responded to a friendly hell, yeah. At the event, we saw that Tesla's ambition to create a robot capable of both companionship and utility is more than just an idea, it's already a reality. As Optimus grows, with every interaction it logs, every face it remembers, and every task it performs, it could be taking us one step closer to a world where everyone truly has a humanoid robot by their side. So, what do you think about Optimus? Do you see a future where your household includes a friendly, helpful robot? Share your thoughts in the comments below. Thank you for tuning in, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more exciting updates on Tesla's latest innovations.